Hello there, my name is Philip Omeni. I'll be taking you through this interesting lesson, how to prepare and pass your Jamb exam. It's going to be an interesting video. I'll be explaining things you need to know and things you need to do so you can get a high score in your exams. Yes, you can. Tell your friends about Learnifik.com. And please don't forget to subscribe to Learnifik. Hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So sit back and enjoy this lesson. Congratulations, you're about to write your UTME, or you're searching for information, or maybe you just need to get a high score in Jamb. Yes, you have found the right channel, Learnifik. We are the numero uno for shizzle. 10 ways to prepare and pass your Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam, aka your Jamb exams. 1. Have a growth mindset. It's interesting to know that there are two kinds of mindsets. The first is a growth mindset, which you should all have. It is the idea that I can get better, I can learn, I can change, I can improve, and this has been proven to be very effective, and this is the right mindset to have. The other kind of mindset is what we call the fixed mindset. That is when you believe you are naturally born with a certain fixed level of intelligence. You say, oh my god, I'm not good at maths. This is what we call a fixed mindset. Do not have a fixed mindset. It is wrong. I mean, completely wrong. So in preparing for Jamb, you must have a growth mindset, telling yourself, I can be what? Better. 2. Early preparation and time management. To prepare for your exams, you need to start early. Start preparing early, not one day or 1 week before the exam. You need to start months before the exam so that you wouldn't be under pressure when it's time to read. And ladies and gentlemen, do not rely on Expo. It doesn't help. Another tip is trying to answer easy questions first, then coming back to attempt questions that are difficult. 3. Get good notes, really good notes. Reread your notes and take notes while you study. It is always good to write or rephrase concepts which you are struggling to understand or having a hard time remembering in your own words. Science proves that you retain better when you write things down. Number 4, know your learning style. It is essential to know how you learn. There are 7 learning styles. You can pause the video while you go through this learning style. The good news is everyone has a mix of learning styles. You may find that you have a preferred style of learning, or you may find that you use different styles at different circumstances. There's no right mix. You just have to adopt a learning style that works for you. Number 5, use a Jamb approved syllabus as a reading guide. Please do not read outside the syllabus because you will be reading out of scope. So always use the syllabus because it is from the syllabus that Jamb will set questions from. I remember when preparing for my Jamb, I used the syllabus and I was amazed that the questions came directly from the areas Jamb recommended in the syllabus. Jamb has an approved syllabus called the Integrated Brochure and Syllabus System, IBAS, which can be found online for all courses on the website on the screen. So please visit this website for the most up-to-date syllabus for all the subjects you want to write. Number 6, practice old examination questions. So to get a feel of how the exam is and in what format questions are set and what to expect, and also how to measure your time, you need to practice an actual test. Practice, practice, practice. I can say this 100 times because when learning, you have to practice. When learning a new concept, to aid retention, you need to practice. Practice grows your confidence that you know the subject. Practice takes effort, so please don't shy away from it. If you practice, I can guarantee you it's gonna make a difference. So this is how we learn essentially. We have to learn a topic, we have to remember it, and finally we have to do it. That is writing it down in an examination. So you have to learn first, you have to remember, then you have to do. Number 8, learn in chunks and also take regular breaks. Have you ever tried reading a book and you found yourself thinking about something else? That's a signal that your brain is telling you that you are tired. So when reading, you need regular breaks to tell your brain to regain its focus, right? According to research, there's a small section of the brain called the hippocampus, which can help you stay completely focused for a maximum of 20 minutes without distractions. Of course, that doesn't mean you can't have you learn for an hour, but you can completely stay focused for about 20 minutes. The most important part of studying is to develop a method that fits your learning and study style. Number 9, organize and plan where and how you want to study. It's important to note that a conducive environment aids proper retention, and a proper environment where distractions are less encourages the brain to focus. Some people want to read at night only, but reading at night may not be the best idea for you. You have to find what works for you. And finally, drink water. As a final tip, remember that being well hydrated is essential for your brain to work at its best. Make sure you keep drinking water throughout your study, throughout your revision, and throughout your practices. And also drink water on the day of the examination so that your brain will be fully hydrated. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to Learnifik. Hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications when new videos are uploaded. Don't forget. Thank you very much. My name is Philip Omeni. Thank you for listening. Bye.